Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and set up a real trading account on MetaTrader 5 MT5 step by step. Whether you're using the web version or the desktop app, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in! First, to get started, make sure you already have an account with a broker that supports MetaTrader 5, like Exness Deriv or another trusted broker. If you don't, just head to your broker's website, sign up, and complete the verification process. Once your broker account is ready, open your broker dashboard and find the MetaTrader 5 account section. There, you'll see an option to create a real MT5 account. Click on Open Real Account and choose your account type, for example, Standard, Pro, or Raw Spread depending on your trading needs. Next, set your trading currency, leverage, and password. Once done, the platform will generate your login ID, password, and server name. Make sure to save this information safely. You'll need it to log in to MT5.now. Let's set it up on the MT5 Web Terminal. Go to your broker's website and click Open in MetaTrader 5 Web. This will open the MT5 Web platform in a new tab. You'll see a disclaimer from MetaQuotes. The developers of MT5, just read and accept it to continue. Next. A login window will appear asking for your login ID and password. You can copy these details from your broker's dashboard, paste them in, select the correct server name, and click Connect to Account. That's it. You're now logged into your real MT5 account. You'll see the trading interface with all your symbols, charts, and trading tools ready to go. You can choose any trading instrument from the list on the left, Open Charts, and start trading right away. If you're using the MT5 Desktop app, the process is just as easy. First, download the MetaTrader 5 Desktop app from your broker's website. Once installed, open it and click File gives login to trade account. Enter your login ID, password, and choose the correct server name from the drop-down list. Once you click OK, you'll be connected to your real account. On the left side, you'll see all available trading instruments. Simply select one, open a chart, and you're ready to trade live. And that's it! Your real trading account on MetaTrader 5 is set up and ready for action. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.